Welcome. In front of me is a Cubot Power, and today I will show you how to enable unknown sources. So to get started, we want to open up the Settings app. And from Settings, go into Apps and Notifications. Then go into Advanced, Special App Access, and you should see somewhere on the bottom, Install Unknown Apps. And then you get to grant the access to each individual app that you want to have the ability to install apps from unknown sources. So for instance, if you download something from Chrome and you want to install it, Chrome will need to have the access, so all you need to do is allow from this source, and now if you download something, you will be able to install it. And this works basically for every app. If you have more apps, there might be more shown here. And yeah, so that is how you would enable it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.